Hi, welcome to my video. Today I'm making the second pours for soaps that I already made embeds for. So the lye water's in and the dog just went outside. When she hears the stick blender on the computer when I play back a video, she doesn't mind. But for some reason when I'm operating it, she doesn't want to be around. It's 95 degrees outside. She'd rather be out there than in here with the stick blender. Okay, we're almost to trace. It's moving fast. Now I'm going to split this part up into two different parts and end up with 4 different loaves of soap all together. All of these are experimental. So it'll be interesting to see how they come out. It's always fun to try new things. Okay, that's come to a good enough trace that I can separate it out now to 2 batches. So I'm going to pour into a different container here. Okay, in this batch I'm going to put some poppy seeds and some essential oils. And I'm going to go ahead and stick blend in the essential oils. Make sure they're good and incorporated. And next I'll go ahead and stir the poppy seeds in. And this part's going to go into a 3-inch PVC mold lined with freezer paper. It's usually not too bad getting them out after that. I also put the caps on and I put some saran. Usually that helps keep them from leaking too much. pour some of this into the PVC molds. And then the pre-made embeds, I'm just going to put down in here. Okay, getting there. Scrape and get all this out. Okay, now I'm just going to put the embeds in there. And they will kind of decide where they're going to go, and I'm good with that. I want a random look about it. You seem to be standing up in the middle. Not sure that's what I want. Okay. Oh, they'll all look a little different. Okay, now this next part is part of the coastal water that I started yesterday. And I'm going to blend in the fragrance oil with the stick blender to get it good and incorporate it again. This old stick blender I'm using is so much less powerful than the pink one. Big difference. Okay, I think that's about the thickness I want. Smells good. I'm going to pour a layer of white over a layer of green. The same thing over here. And next, I'm going to go after it with a bit of activated charcoal. Just to make a line between. This little sieve helps me get a thin layer. And then try to clean up the insides a little bit where I spilled. I don't care yet about the top portion. I'll clean that off later. Okay, now another green layer is going in. Looks like that didn't come quite all the way down. And I make sure I fit that down to the existing soap and charcoal layer. Same thing over here. Okay. I'm going to go for a little more charcoal on this layer too. and then another white layer, and it's starting to get quite thick on me. So I'm going to kind of plop that in. It was a little touchy because I didn't want it too thin and leaking down under the green part, and then once it's thick it gets a little harder to make it do what I want. This will work just fine. Just smush that down in, stick to the other layer. And I'm going to work out a few little swirls. Care for the way that one's acting. Okay, and the last part, I'm going to add some pieces to the top. I'm just going to kind of randomly put them in. I don't think I want them sticking up quite that much though, so I'm going to cut them again. And try these smaller pieces. That's more what I'm wanting there. I have a few more. I'll see if I can fit them all in. Just a couple more now. Okay, thanks for watching.